यो गुरु स शिवः प्रोक्तः यः शिवः स गुरु स्मृतः विकल्पं यस्तु कुर्वीत स नरो गुरुतल्पगः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय 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 ॐ नमः 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 ॐ हर नमः पार्वती पदे हर हर महादेव। श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की हरि ओम हरि ओम। फर्स्ट श्लोक we will chant. चूड़ोत्तम सित चंद्र चारु कलिका चूड़ोत्तम सित चंद्र चारु चंचशिखा भास्वरः लीलादग्ध विलोल कामशलभ दग्धविलोलकामशलभ श्रेयो दशाग्रे स्फुरन् अन्तःस्फूर्जदपारमोहतिमिर प्राग्भारमुच्चाटयन् चेतः सद्मयोगिनां विजयते ज्ञानप्रदीपो हरः। पेज 38 verse 58। अभुक्तायां यस्यां क्षणमपि न जातं नृपशतैः भुवस्तस्या लाभे कैव बहुमानः क्षितिभृतां तदंशस्याप्यंशे तव अवयव लेशेऽपि पतयः विषादे कर्तव्ये विदधति जडाः प्रत्युतमुदम् जडाः प्रत्युतमुदम्। This passion means that these non-essentials of life has become a means and not the goal. The life presents lot of things. Prarabdha presents lot of things. Maya serves in the plate lot of things. But not everything should be consumed. Some things are to be just seen from a distance. Some things are to be taken. Some things are to be left. Some things are to be learned from. So, Buddha used to say this world is a buffet system. So, dispassion means that you are aware of essential and non-essential. Essential means that which will never leave. Non-essential means that which will leave. Essential means that which has permanency in joy and ashray. Non-essential means which does not have joy and doesn't give me sense of security. This is called vivek, that happens before vairagya. So, vairagya, you left the playing marbles, or you left playing ludo, or you left playing with the toys, because you find it as a useless pursuit where I should not waste my time, because there is a bigger essential thing. Similarly, the worldly joys, the worldly relations, the worldly actions, they are there, but there is a bigger joy, bigger peace, bigger fulfillment, bigger devotion, bigger goal of moksha, bigger tendency to get out of attachments, that if somebody gets a higher joy, then this becomes non-essential. Anything will become non-essential only when you have seen something bigger and essential. Otherwise, if you leave that, you cannot say this is non-essential. Non-essential does not mean useless. It is used, but it is not goal. It is not the culmination of that. So that is that this vivek more one does. Vivek means it comes from which dhatu, not English which. Which dhatu, prathak karne, to segregate, to discriminate. So between sukh and permanent sukh and temporary sukh, permanent security and temporary security. This differentiation that the mind does and tries to analyze through the experiences of life and through the satsang, that gives a maturity. Maturity means the ability to drop something small is maturity. Immaturity means inability to believe something which was not an issue. Immaturity is that. ठीक है? So more a person is dispassionate, more he is free from all, more he is abiding in himself, and more time he has, more energy he has, more mental space is very big, in that he can bring lot of beautiful thoughts. And lesser is the dispassion, smaller is the mind, lesser is the quantity. The RAM of mind is very less. RAM, ठीक बोला RAM, हाँ, memory is very less. It is only 100 MB. You fill it and it gets empty. It is not in terabyte. Terabyte के बाद भी है कुछ, something is there. नहीं है. But we can have terabyte, 20 terabyte, 100 terabyte, 1000 million terabyte. अरे इतना नहीं होता. होता है. Mentally होता है, physically नहीं होता. So you have lot of time and lot of energy and lot of strength in you to focus in one direction. Because the path of self, it requires, anything which is difficult requires more focus than something which is smaller. Difficult thing, if you have to wash clothes, you don't need to be focused. But if you have to, you know, go through, become a pilot in the plane, you have to be focused. Then you cannot be having something. I heard that in the cockpit you can't have coffee also, because coffee can spill everywhere. So now this attention from the non-required thing to the most required is taken by Bhartruhari. Let us see now 58th words. He says here, abhuktayam yasyam kshanamapi na jatam nipshataihi. This Mother Earth, there is never a time when it is not enjoyed by hundreds and thousands of kings. Somebody was there always to enjoy. Kshanamapi, not a moment was there when the earth was without. And enjoyed means they enjoy the power, they enjoy the position. They think I have this much, this country is in my control, this is in my control. Then he says, Bhuvaha tasyaha labhe kaiv bahumana kriti vratam. So it has been never. So what is there? What gain is there when the same thing has been already enjoyed for some moment by so many people? What great about it? Ka labhe. Ka labhe. What high dignity is there? What high value is there for gaining that earth? Bahu vratam, bahu manah. So for that many people have already enjoyed, and you have also come for 20, 30. If you read history, so in that history book it is written, tenure of this king was 20 years, 30, from 1320 to 1370. So that 70, 80 years what he would have fought, that is covered in 2 lines in the annals of history, or half page, if you have to give the description of that. And that time also passes. Very big king came. Bhagirath ji came, Vikramaditya came, Shibi came. Some ruled for even thousands of years, but that also had an end. That also got over. So it is not the one which they should be seeking. So what he says, and similarly later king, these came, lot of other kings, or hundreds and thousands of kings are there. Arab kings are there, European kings are there, American kings are there, Indian kings are there, Australian kings are there, so many kings are, Egyptian kings are there. So, tad anshasya api anshe tad avalava avayavaleshe. The part of the part of the part of the part. They own this much of land. Who are those people? Jadaha, foolish people. Lo. Subh foolish ho gaya. So Jadaha. So Jadaha means, see the last line, Jadaha. So these Pataya means this lord of this, they think I have got very big things. Vishade kartavye, they should grieve. Pratyut mudam, on the other hand they are happy. Why they should grieve? They should grieve that I have so much of, I am attached to such a small thing. Grief should be on a matter that I should have in the same life, in the same time, with the same energy, I could have attained God. I could have attained the purification of the mind. I could have served the Virat, and I could have known the self. Rather, I was involved only in getting this thing. This is the matter here. They are, on the other hand, they are very happy. बताओ, इतने बड़े बड़े राजा आए, खत्म हो गए. Big kings came, and they also, their time was over, and after their time was over, they passed away. क्या छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, अब तो कोई राजा बचे नहीं ऐसे. And what is that earth that will you describe? So they gave their whole life to become Prithvipati, and ultimately they lost the bigger vision. And therefore, if you read in Bhagavad, these kings also, they had a goal-oriented life, and after certain time, they left the kingdom. Raja Prithu left, Yudhishthirji left, or Raja, what is it called, Bharat left. Almost every king in Bhagavad, he had to go to Vanaprastha ashram. That means he was not enjoying the earth, he was serving the earth. So Sapparam Tapasvi Raja. King is not censored. The tendency to enjoy the kingdom is censored. Kingship is not censored. The tendency that I will be there, I am there forever, and I am enjoying, and this is the minus and I-ness associated with the earth is Ninda Pradhan. That Ninda is done for that. Ninda. That is not, Ninda is not for the Rajatva. Raja is not there, you can't have the kingdom. The kingdom will go in totally haywire. But what is censored is that you are more after authority. You love the authority, rather using the authority to distribute authority to others. If you have more authority, you distribute. But these people didn't purify their mind, neither pleased the God, neither did yag. If you remember, Yudhishthira etc. used to do a lot of yagya yagadi, please the devatas, please the pitar, and please the people. The Raja word itself has come from Ranj. Ranjanat Raja, one who pleases the people through his policies, through his administration. He protects, like the father protects the child, similarly king protects everybody. That is the Raj Dharma. But he did not do that. He was after only his own enjoyment. Ultimately, they also went into, they got lost. They became one with the mud. This is where their ultimate is there. This passion है उसमें, क्या है इसमें, कौन बड़ी चीज़ है भाई? What great about that? अच्छा, still he is not satisfied. So he has given one more slap to those. मृत्पिंडो जलरेखया वलयितः वलयितः सर्वोप्ययं नन्वणुः स्वांशीकृत्य तमेव संगरशतै राज्ञां गणा भुञ्जते ते दद्युर्ददतोऽथवा किमपरम् क्षुद्रादरिद्राभृशम् धिग्धिक्तान् पुरुषाधमान् धनकणान् वाञ्छन्ति तेभ्योऽपि ये। मुश्किल है टू चैंट, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है। क्या कौन सा है? आखिरी लाइन, फर्स्ट लाइन, फर्स्ट वर्ड आखिरी लाइन का। धिक धिक, दिस इज कॉल्ड धिक धिक, नॉट दुख दुख। धिक धिक, देन उसका कुछ लुक जाए ना, धक धक है ये। like Mundak is one Upanishad, other is Manduk. Some brought both of the Manduk. So it is dhik dhik, dhik dhik, and उसके बाद है तान, फिर है पुरुषाधमान। इसको कहीं नोट कर लेना उसमें। If you are finding it difficult, don't swallow it. धिक धिक, वो तो क्लियर होगा। धिक धिक, तान, तुमको क्लियर है? सो ही इज सेइंग कि ऐसी कौन बड़ी चीज़ है, व्हाट इज दिस गेटिंग दिस अर्थ, व्हाट इज दिस अर्थ। देखो इन लोग कितना वैराग है इन लोगों में। मृत पिंडो, इट इज अ लंप ऑफ मड। होल अर्थ इज अ lump of mud surrounded by ring of water. जल रेखया वलयिता, वलयिता, circumference of water। एक मड, बड़ा मड है, एक छोटा मड है, एक बड़ा मड है। If you are a king, you say I'm पृथ्वीपति, you are a मडपति actually। You are a मिट्टीपति, और कुछ नहीं। उसमें ऐसी कौन सी चीज है? ये सब वैराग, ये सब वैराग का मतलब है it goes to the cause of something। मतलब seeing the, taking away the name, naam and roop and effect and going to that, it is panch mahabhutatmak only। अब उसमें तो हमने सुख बुद्धि डाल दिया अपनी तरफ से। I have put a sense of joy because of my vasanas। Whole attack is on the vasana। वासना से डाला। सर्वे अपि अयम ननु अणु, ननु मीन्स इंडीड, नन वणु, नन वणु, ननु है वो, इको अणची संधि होती है। सो ऊ का वाह हो जाता है, तो ननु अणु। सो दिस इज ओनली अणु। अणु मीन्स पार्टिकल, एटम। इसको न्याय ने बोला। बताओ, इतनी चीज है, इसके लिए क्या करना भाई? स्वांशीकृत्य तमेव, स्वांशीकृत्य, the kings partitioned that, sangarshatai, and they had hundreds of battles, and राज्ञाम गणा, गणा राज्ञाम, group of kings, भुंजते, they enjoyed it। बताओ, Alexander came, when there was a time Alexander conquered whole world। Time was there, Greek was the number one thing, Greek kingdom। Alexander, they say Alexander the Great, I don't know why he was called great, not at all great, foolish। And then फिर नेपोलियन आए, उनके साथ जोड़ा नेपोलियन द ग्रेट। ये सब घूमे घामे कहीं पे। They killed millions and thousands of people, एक से एक सब बदमाश लोग। एक चंगेज खान आए, ये सब आए, क्या तैमूर उमूर, दुनिया भर के आए। They killed so many people just to enjoy the lump of clay and authority associated। Actually, attack was they wanted more kingdom because of 2-3 reasons। Firstly, some place has lot of minerals, gold, silver, so they wanted to loot that। Like India had lot of a lot of riches, and therefore Somnath was looted so many times. Second, some wanted to convert because the religion was a big cause for that. They wanted to convert the whole place. It was fight between one to another religion. And third was they wanted to extend their own boundaries. But what they got ultimately? What they got? क्या मिल गया उनको? 20 years they lived after this, 30 years they lived. कितना कोई जिएगा? And for that, lakhs of people they used to kill, plunder. कौन रहा है? कौन सा राज रहा है? Which king was remaining to enjoy anything? वैसा क्या आपने बड़ा कर लिया? एक ग्रीक था, एक टाइम द रोमन एम्पायर was there, Russian empire was there. In this last 1000 years I'm talking. After that, this, what is it called? Chinese are there now, American is there. क्या ऐसा हो जाएगा? स्वाम शीकृत्य तमेव संगर्षतैः राज्ञां गणा भुञ्जते. Who are these people who had fought lot of battles for 3 reasons? I gave you 3 reasons. A bigger reason is there that somebody is attacking you, and to protect your kingdom you have to fight, then fight is valid. Then you fight. But just to enjoy more and more, Alexander came to India also. Napoleon did not, but they came to India. Similarly, these Mughals came to India. Genghis Khan didn't come to India, but Nadir Shah came to India. And they were so bloodthirsty. So Nadir Shah was in Delhi, and somebody was there, he threw one stone on him. So his cap went away flying. He killed 20,000 people in Delhi on one day. Then still he wanted. Then somebody came, he said only one way is there now to kill. The dead people should become alive, then only you can kill somebody. ये लोग ऐसे थे. And therefore, Bhartruhari says, तो इसमें कौन सी बड़ी चीज प्राप्त कर लिया? They looted. There was something called Peacock's Throne India had. That peacock throne was taken away by, that was in Shah Jahan's time. All these people were there. Babur came, they were all plunderers and looters. Te dadhyu, and who are these? Shudraha Daridraha. Third line you see. बोले they are paupers. बताओ इतने बड़े लोग in the sense big kings, and in the eyes of a saint like Bhartruhari, they are paupers, daridraha, shudraha, daridraha. Why? Because there is a lot of incompleteness in yourself is called daridrata. Daridrata is not because of outer something lacking. You are lacking something from outside. That is not daridraha. Daridraha means more is your sense of incompleteness. More is the sense of emptiness without something or somebody. That is called the poverty of the self. Outer poverty doesn't matter. That doesn't trouble, because something is not there with me, that does not trouble. Because of not having something, I feel small, I feel very little, and that brought my desires in me. ठीक है ना? उसको बोलते हैं क्षुद्राहा. वरना संतों के पास तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. क्या होता है संतों के पास? You went to Raman Maharshi's ashram, you saw. विरूपाक्ष केव था ना? विरूपाक्ष केव में कुछ भी नहीं था. वो तो आगे का शेड लगाया गया है. शेड भी नहीं था पहले. एक केवल ऐसे शेड कवर था. वो केव के अंदर बहुत छोटी केव थी. And there he lived for 17 years. Imagine that. No, nothing building, nothing, no. Where from food was coming, where from water was there, what they did in the rain, only God knows. And how he lived there. There is no proper door also at that time. Door भी नहीं होगा. विरूपाक्ष केव में वैसे रहते थे. जितना अंदर से कोई भगवान से भरा होगा, उतना वो शांत होगा। जितना अंदर से कोई अपने ज्ञान से भरा होगा उतना वो क्वाइट रहेगा। क्वाइटनेस इज नॉट द नेम ऑफ हैविंग समथिंग एक्सटर्नल, क्वाइटनेस इज द नेम ऑफ मोर डिवोशन and more available knowledge of the self. These two things are called quietness. ठीक है? नहीं ठीक है? Then we should not, you should become king, but not because of your inner lacuna. That should not be there. ये दरिद्र हो गया। बताइए साहब। तो अब क्या, क्षुद्राः ते दद्युः, समटाइम दे gave the kingdom to somebody else, some part of the kingdom, they dadyuh, may give, or dadatah, or do give. किमपरं क्षुद्रा दरिद्रा वृषम, like Pakistan gave some part to China. Of Pakistan occupied Kashmir, some part of Pakistan he gave it to China. जो आपका है नहीं उसको दूसरे को दे दिया। अब देखो ये हो गया। अच्छा, धिक धिक तान पुरुषाधमान धन कणान वंजन, fie upon those people who are asking these people, these kings, to give them something. समझ गए? ये जो दरिद्र लोग हैं इनसे ही कोई मांग रहे थे। दे हैव डिपेंडेंसी ऑन देम ऑल्सो। सो धन कणान मतलब लिटिल स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ कॉइन और समथिंग लाइक दैट, एक कौड़ी जिसको बोलते थे। धिक धिक तान, क्या उनसे मांगा जाए? व्हाट टू आस्क फ्रॉम समबडी, मतलब यू आर गोइंग टू be complete by going to one person who has lot of incompleteness. That is the intention here. You are going to get completeness from those who have already lot of incompleteness. जो खुद ही दरिद्र है वो हमको क्या देंगे? उनसे क्या उम्मीद किया जाए? Why to have अपेक्षा from those who themselves are so desirous from inside? They will try to get something from that person. If Pakistan is giving some land to China because they want something, otherwise they won't give. वो खुद ही दरिद्र है, वो क्या मांगेंगे, दूसरे को देंगे। तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने इनको जो है ठीक किया दो लोगों को, दो श्लोक में। इसमें कुछ खास ऐसी बात है नहीं, आप चिंता मत करो। डोंट बी सो मच इनफैचुएटेड एंड अट्रैक्टेड बाय बिग बिग किंग्स एंड बिग बिग नेम्स एंड बिग बिग प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स एंड बिग बिग प्रेसिडेंट्स। वो कुछ दिन के लिए हैं, उसके बाद वो भी उसी मिट्टी में जैसे कीड़े रहते हैं वो भी वैसे रह जाएंगे। सजातः कोप्यासीन मदनारी मुडामूर्ध्नि धवलम् कपालं यस्योच्चैर्विनिहित मिहितं कपालं यस्योच्चैर्विनिहितम् अलंकार विधये निर्भि प्राण त्राण प्रवण मतिभिः कैश्चिद अधुना नमद्भिः का पुमान् अयम् अतुलदर्पज्वर भरः। नमद्भिः का पुमानमयतुल दर्पज्वर भरः। अब वो थोड़ा सा इसी टॉपिक को अच्छा बनाते हैं। बोले सजाता, ही अलोन इज बॉर्न, हु इज देयर? सो आसीत मदन रिपुणा, मदन रिपुणा, इट इज वन वर्ड, हमने इसको तोड़ दिया गलती से। मदन आरी पुणा, मदन अरिपु मतलब Shivji, the destroyer of Kamdev. Madan Ripu. Third case is Madan Ripuna. Don't worry about that. So, आप चलते रहिए. So, after death of such a devotee, Lord Shiva was so happy that what he did, सब तो चले जाते हैं छोड़ के शमशान में. Closest people leave you. And this person, after death, what happened? That Shivji was so happy, he took his skull and he put that skull on his head. स्कल लगा दिया उन्होंने. शिव जी ने अपने ऊपर यहाँ स्कल लगाते हैं. कपालेश्वर है ना, हाँ, वो कपाल है. तो उन्होंने कहा इसने इतनी साधना किया, ही हैज़ डन सो मच ऑफ ध्यान पूजा जप, दैट चलो भाई इसको दिल से लगा लेते हैं, इसको हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं. सो सजाता मतलब his birth alone was fulfilled. Other were just a load. Other were just a tension giving people, trouble giving people to others. Sajata ko pyasin madan rina, madan ripuna, murti dhaval, kapalam yasyochair vinhitam, alankar vidhay. उन्होंने अलंकृत कर लिया अपने. He decorated himself with the skull of this wise person when he died. मतलब अपने भाव से. ईश्वर is happy when you serve others. ईश्वर is happy when you do his jap, puja, surrender. ईश्वर is happy when you go for Atma Gyan. ईश्वर is happy when you are not having ahankar. So, nirmamo nirahankara samadukha sukha kshami. So, he had Devi Sampatti, he had devotion in him, he had detachment in him, he had nirahankarta in him, he had very good स्वभाव in him. उसका स्वभाव बहुत अच्छा था. उसके स्वभाव में, his स्वभाव had what is it called, samta was there, Guru Bhakti was there, Prasannata was there, non-complaining nature was there, Ishwar Samarpan was there, Mayi Arpit Mano Buddhi O Mad Bhakta Same Priya, non-perturbed was there, Anapeksha Shuchir Daksha was there. उसके स्वभाव में कुछ ऐसी चीजें थी. We are happy seeing somebody's nature only. उसने अपने जीवन में इतना दिया भगवान को प्रसन्नता. Because you are living, either you are making somebody happy or you are making somebody sad or angry. So that is called the स्वभाव of person, through which you make somebody sad or somebody happy or indifferent. वही स्वभाव होता है. What vritti others got from you. ठीक है, तो उसको बोलते हैं he alone was, his birth was fulfilled. क्योंकि उसने जो है बदल दिया लोगों का मन. he changed the mind, he changed the place, he changed the community, he changed the very faith of the people. सजातः कोप्यासीत मदन रिपुणा मूर्धनि धवल कपालम. Dhaval Kapalam. Dhaval means white skull is there. Yasyochair vinihitam alankar vidhay. For decoration he had put. ठीक है ना. देखो ऐसा जीवन होना चाहिए. Life should be such that God waits to meet me. When somebody you love a lot, you wait to see him. You wait to talk to him. You wait to spend time with him. You wait to hear from him. People say also, I was missing you, I was waiting to see you. That should be the nature of a person. And I told many times, that alone makes God happy, through which you are able to reduce the distance between him and yourself. Whole day should be nothing but a sadhana to reduce my distance from the Lord. And that distance has come because of doing something, not doing something, thinking something, not thinking something. Some desire is God's but not my desire. Some desire is mine but not God's desire. So when my desire and my notion, there is a minimum difference between my notion and God's notion. Minimum difference between as I see the world as and God sees the world. Minimum distance between what is my wish and what is his wish. It is called we are close to that person. समझ गए ना? Closeness means कि हमारे उनके बीच में जो उनकी मान्यता है वो हमारी मान्यता, जो उनकी इच्छा, हम अपनी इच्छा और उनकी इच्छा को घटाने का ही नाम साधना है। साधना का मतलब है कि आपने ईश्वर इच्छा और अपनी इच्छा के बीच को बहुत दूरी कम कर दिया है, अपने को मिला के उन्हीं की इच्छा के साथ अपनी इच्छा एक कर दिया। इसी का नाम होता है भगवान को प्रसन्न करना। When you say I'm not happy with that person, it only means कि उसकी कुछ ऐसी इच्छा है जो कि हमारी इच्छा नहीं, उसकी कुछ ऐसी मान्यता है जो कि हमारी मान्यता नहीं, उसके कुछ ऐसे कर्म है जो कि हमारे कर्म नहीं है। और मोर दिस थिंग्स हैपन, जितना ज़्यादा ये रहेगा उतना ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस हो जाएगा। ठीक है वो उसमें वो हुआ नहीं होगा। सो ये बात समझ में आई ना? कपालम यस्योच्चैहि विनिहितम अलंकार विधेय। भगवान उसको सजाते हैं, अपने आप को सजा लेते हैं। कितने अच्छा भर्तृहरि की जो भक्ति है ना वो दिख जाती है। फिर लास्ट 2 लाइन्स, नृभिः प्राण त्राण प्रवणमतिभिः कैश्चिद अधुना न मद्भिः। So they say people, instead of pleasing the God and taking sharanagati from the God, कहीं ना कहीं तो आश्रय चाहिए ही सबको, चाहे धन का आश्रय लो, चाहे लोगों का आश्रय लो। Some people take the आश्रय of such big people, not great people, big people who are rich in power, money. Who are those people? अतुल दर्प ज्वर भरह। देखो क्या शब्द है, अतुल दर्प। They have lot of pride, in excessive pride, and ज्वर, they have the fever. They have lot of fever of excessive pride. अतुल दर्प ज्वल भरह। They go to those people. भाई किसी के पास ज़्यादा है तो उसको प्राइड आ गई। प्राइड मीन्स द इमोशन थ्रू विच you define yourself by something which big you have, taking out God into picture, taking out the parents into picture, taking out society into picture. तो इनके पास गए साहब ये, और कैसे गए? प्राण त्राण प्रवण मति भी। They were engrossed in protecting their lives. Namad bihi, they are adorning them. Nribihi, by the people. This is all in third case. जैसे कोई गया किसी के पास, भाई हमारे पास ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, भगवान को छोड़ के उनके पास, इत्ते के पास गए, और उनके पास जाके इफ़ यू टेक शरण इन द पर्सन, अब बताओ भगवान राम के रहते दशरथ जी के कई की शरण ले लिए, तो उसके कितना नुकसान हो गया उनका। सो नीच की शरण नहीं लेना चाहिए। अदर देन गॉड वी शुड नॉट टेक रिफ्यूज, बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इट हिमसेल्फ इज सो स्मॉल एंड अनडिपेंडेबल। यू कांट बी एट रेस्ट बिकॉज ही हैज़ हिज लिमिटेशन। वो आपको शरण नहीं दे पाएगा, आपको वो ही कैनॉट गिव यू द सोलेस, He cannot give you at all time, at all place, with everybody, at all power. Only God can have. Somebody can have physical power. He cannot make you intelligent. But God can make anybody intelligent in 1 second. Somebody can have power in the youth but not in the old age. At all place, at all time, with everybody, in all ways, only God can protect somebody. Only God can hold somebody's goodness, not human being. है ना? क्यों? हाँ बोले आप चिंता मत करिए, डोंट वरी. सो श्री कृष्णा शरणम मम. सब लोग शरण लेने योग्य नहीं होते. सकृत एव प्रपन्नाय तवास्मीति याचते अभयम ददामि सर्वभूतेभ्यः एतद् व्रतम मम. दिस इज सेड बाय बोलो भगवान राम टू विभीषण जी in Valmiki Ramayana. He said, if somebody comes to me and Sakridev Prapannaya, once only he comes and he says, I am yours. Tavasmi iti yachite. Abhayam dadami sarvbhutebhya. I will make him fearless from everybody. This is my vow. Etad vratam mama. इसी के बल पे तो महात्मा लोग हंसते हैं. इसी के बल पे तो तपोवन जी समय काटते हैं. The biggest strength of a person is that he is dependent totally on God and nobody else. Anywhere you are, as long as you have a body, body has to be dependent on something. But that body, if it is dependent on God, then after that you are free, because God will come in some way, at some time, in some manner to give you something. किसी रूप में, कहीं, किसी, कभी, कैसे करके वो आपको कुछ न कुछ देंगे, है कि नहीं? So namadbihi ka puman. But this person who is weak means less faith person. Person is not physically weak, he is weak, or not mentally weak. He has less faith. His ashraya buddhi is small. He has less bhakti in God. He has less knowledge about God. He has less bhakti in Guru. That is his weakness. Weakness is not something that your body is, your weight you have lost, or you have lost your eyes, or you have lost your heart. Weakness is because you don't have that faith, that Ishwar Bhakti, Guru Bhakti and Atma Gyan and Antakaran Shuddhi. You don't have these four things that you make you weak. Your mind is impure, or you don't have Guru Bhakti, or you don't have Ishwar Bhakti, or you don't have Atma Bhakti. तब तुम कहीं किसी और की शरण लेंगे. So what happens? You will have more worse time by taking because that person will make you more dependent. You will get more attached and you can't grow. You can't move ahead in life. क्यों भाई? So निभिः प्राण त्राण प्रवणमतिभिः ममद्भिः कपुमान अयम अतुल दर्प ज्वर भरह. उनके पास इतना दर्प था, यही था कि हमसे कुछ हो नहीं सकता है, ये है वो है. देखो वही सुग्रीव was so afraid living by the fear of बाली. अरे भगवान राम का बल पाके जो दहाड़ा सुग्रीव बाली. बाली ने कहा ये कौन है, इतना बल आ जाता है, कोई है इनके पीछे लग रहा है. वही विभीषण जो कुछ बोलते नहीं थे, वही आज रावण को डांट रहे हैं. सुमति कुमति सब केयुर रहीं, नाथ पुराण निगम दस कहीं. जहाँ सुमति तहाँ संपत्ति नाना, जहाँ विपत्ति तहाँ कुमति निदाना. तहाँ तब उर कुमति बसी विपरीता. डांट दिया रावण को, क्या है तुम्हारे अंदर, बेकार की बात करते हो, तुम्हारे अंदर कुमति भरी हुई है. इतना बल आ गया ईश्वर से, इतना बल आ गया प्रहलाद जी को कि उन्होंने डरे नहीं. वो बहुत बड़ा बल है, सबसे बड़ा बल है। तो गुरु भक्ति, ईश्वर भक्ति, सद्वृत्ति मतलब देवी संपत्ति और आत्मज्ञान, ये 3 चीज से ही आदमी के आश्रय बनता है। आदमी को अपना आश्रय बनाना पड़ता है। जैसे घर बनाने में टाइम लगता है, लाइक यू टेक टाइम इन मेकिंग हाउस एंड पैलेस, इट टेक्स टाइम टू क्रिएट आश्रय इन गॉड, टू क्रिएट एन इम्प्रेशन इन द गॉड that I am there, God is alone, is you alone will protect me. He should creating the sankalp in the God to protect, that is called your sadhana. देखो अम्बरीश का कितना बल था. But ordinary person, because he doesn't have this passion and faith, he goes ऐसे यहाँ वहाँ भटकता रहता है, कभी यहाँ शरण कभी वहाँ शरण, सब जगह से मार पड़ के पिट पिटा के आ जाता है. Let's see the next verse. देखें कि थक तो नहीं गए? टायर्ड क्या, सो के तो उठे हो देर से. परेशान चेतांसि प्रतिदिवस, परेशान चेतांसि प्रतिदिवस, समाराध्य बहुधा, प्रसादं किं नेतुं विशसि, हृदय क्लेश कलितं, प्रसन्ने त्वय्यनन्त स्वयं, प्रसन्ने त्वय्यनन्त स्वयं, मुदित चिन्तामणिगणः, मुदित चिन्तामणिगणः, विविक्त संकल्प किम, विविक्त संकल्प किम, अभिलषितम पुष्यति न ते. देखो ये बोलते हैं, हे हृदय, ये फ्लक्चुएट क्यों कर रहा है? यहाँ की प्रॉब्लम है, इसकी प्रॉब्लम, इसकी प्रॉब्लम, यहाँ की नहीं. रहने दो, थोड़ा भी वरना गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. He is addressing to his mind. हे हृदय, हृदय इज इन वोकेटिव, हृदय वोकेटिव में. बोले कि ओ हार्ट, परेशान चेतांसि प्रतिदिव समाराध्य बहुधा. तुमने दूसरे को खुश करने की बहुत कोशिश किया. We have tried a lot to make others happy. वो खुश हो पाए क्या? प्रसादम क्लेश कलितम प्रसादम. ये प्रसाद नहीं, मतलब प्रसाद मिलेगा क्या? प्रसाद तो जो बोलते प्रसाद, हिंदी बोलते प्रसाद, प्रसाद ही ले लीजिए, वो प्रसाद है संस्कृत. प्रसाद, प्रसाद, प्रसाद नहीं है. There is no word called प्रसाद in संस्कृत. मतलब प्रसाद, प्रसाद, प्रसाद आइए, प्रसाद ले लीजिए, प्रसाद ले लीजिए, प्रसाद. हाँ, पंजाबी में प्रसाद लिया, प्रसाद, प्रसाद से विषाद हो जाता है. So I have tried to make somebody happy. And how are they whom you want to make happy? Klesh kalitam, so hard to make them happy. उनको खुश करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है. This is what I have learned in life. That don't try to make any unhappy person, unhappy person too much, because his nature himself is so unhappy. Unhappyable है वो. He is not happyable. New word है unhappyable. वो अनहैप्पी रहना उसका स्वभाव ही है. उसको सोना दे दो, चांदी दे दो, कुछ भी दे दो, वो कुछ न कुछ कमी निकाल लेगा कि आपने ये नहीं किया, उससे नहीं बात किया, उससे नहीं किया. सो सच पीपल आर हॉरिबल. सो नो पॉइंट इन मेकिंग देम हैप्पी. दे आर नॉट वर्थ मेकिंग देम हैप्पी. चीनी को जैसे नमकीन नहीं बना सकते, मिर्ची को मीठा नहीं बना सकते, उसका नेचर ही है. सो उसको टाइम लगेगा अपने नेचर बदलने में. क्यों दिमाग खराब करो? परेशान प्रचेतांसि प्रतिदिव, समाराध्य बहुधा, प्रसादम किम नेतुं विशसि, हृदय क्लेश कलितम. क्यों इतना दिमाग खराब करते? क्यों उनको इतना खुश करो? नहीं खुश होंगे, कुछ भी कर दो, यू विल नॉट. पीपल unless he is his own nature, he is to be happy. then if somebody's nature is to be happy with a small gesture, he becomes happy. If you do something small, he will be naturally remembering that and he will be very happy. बोले उन्होंने हमको पानी दिया, उसी में खुश हो जाएंगे. When something is in your nature, you find 100 ways to express that nature. And when something is not your nature, then you find 100 ways not to express it, because that is not in you. You can bring out something what is already there in a person. Supposing you are early riser, so you will find 100 ways to get up. Why I should get up early, even if you have slept late. Supposing you are late riser, your nature is there. They say, I'm not a morning person. I'm night person. I'm not an early bird, I'm a late owl. So, I'm not a morning person. So, they will find 1,000 ways why I could not get up. और अगर नहीं तो जो नेचर होता है वो कहीं न कहीं से रास्ता निकाल लेगा. If anger is inside, some issue you will find to express it. There are 100 issues. Out of 100, 1, 2 will pick up and become bun 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 शुरू कर देगा. So, किसी को बहुत खुश करने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't make a target to make somebody whose nature. सबको हम खुश करें, अच्छी बात है. लेकिन don't be after somebody or particular person और expectation मतलब कि खुश होगा, उसका नेचर ही ऐसा है. उसके स्वभाव में ही ये सब है, वो जैसा है वैसा ही है वो ऐसा ही है. इसको ये दिस इज लाइक दैट, आई कैन नॉट मेक इट वाटर इमीडिएटली. इसका नेचर ही यही है भी, तो उसको हम बदल नहीं सकते ऐसे. सो डोंट ट्राई टू डायल अ रॉन्ग नंबर एंड टॉक टू द पर्सन. वो नहीं, वहाँ पे वो चीज़ नहीं मिलेगी. और सच बोलने तो जीव और जगत ऐसे ही है. नो जीव इज मेंट फॉर मेकिंग यू हैप्पी. जीव का स्वभाव ही गड़बड़ है. कुछ न कुछ कमी निकालेगा, कुछ न कुछ वो अपने जीवन में कुछ दुख निकाल लेता है, कुछ एंग्जाइटी निकाल लेगा, कुछ चिंता निकाल लेगा, कुछ न कुछ ऐसी बात निकाल लेगा. वहाँ एयरपोर्ट जाएगा तो चिंता हो जाएगी, प्लेन में बैठेगा तो कहीं सडनली प्लेन ब्लास्ट कर जाएगा, एक्सीडेंट होगा, क्या करेंगे. या बैठेगा तो कहीं के अंदर पंखा न गिर पड़े. ऑटोमेटिकली ही इज सो नेगेटिव और ही विल फाइंड आउट समथिंग. ऐसा नेचर मत बनाना कहीं. कुछ लोग हैं चिंता निकाल लेते हैं, जो तुम चिंता निकाल लेते कहीं ना कहीं है बड़ी चिंता हो रही. कभी किसी इशू से, कभी उन्होंने ऐसा बोला, कभी क्या जवाब देंगे, कभी इन्होंने इनसे क्या बोलेंगे, ये है ऐसा कुछ थ्रेड निकाल लेते हैं और फिर वो बड़ा कर लेते हैं. फिर सोचते हैं कोई सम टॉपिक इज देयर, इट नीड्स टू बी डील विद अ चेयरफुल माइंड. व्हेन यू आर वरीड इट विल सैप योर एनर्जी. Your whole mind is not available to think on that subject. Don't make a wrong goal in life. हमने तो यही सीखा है लाइफ में कि बहुत ज़्यादा किसी को पे टे मत करो. जो जैसा है वैसे को रहने दो. हम क्या करें, उसका जो स्वभाव ही वैसा है, हम क्या कर सकते हैं उसको. जिसको समझ में आना है समझ जाएगा. If he is not, then you again talk. Third time you talk. 4th time you talk, 5th time you talk, फिर समझाओ, फिर ये करो, जिंदगी खत्म हो जाएगी लोगों के साथ. सो व्हाट शैल आई डू. प्रसन्ने त्वयि अनंत स्वयं उदित चिंतामणि गणः. प्रसन्ने. सो व्हेन यू आर हैप्पी इनसाइड, बाय बीइंग हैप्पी इनसाइड, त्वयि, इन योर हैप्पीनेस, अपने में से खुशी निकालो. To discover joy from yourself only. Joy is from your sadhana, from your satsang, from your seva, from your swadhyaya, from your jap. Use some indigenous means to make yourself happy and make yourself fulfilled. त्वयि प्रसन्ने त्वयि, तुम्हारे में खुशी रहते हुए, is called सती सप्तमी. अनंत स्वयं उदित चिंतामणि गण. You have the चिंतामणि. मणि means gems of beautiful thoughts in you. चिंतामणि आपके पास है. चिंतामणि गण है. विविक्ता. विविक्ता means learn to be alone inside. Don't associate. दो मीनिंग है, या तो live in a solitude or live in your own self with yourself. Don't live mentally with somebody. Mentally learn to live with your own God, with the words of the Guru, with the scriptures, with your own self. Sankalpah kim abhilashitam pushyati nate. If you are like that, what object will not come to you which will give you joy? Kim abhilashata. Abhilashita means what you had wanted. Why not it will come to you? अपने आप आपके पास चीजें आएंगी, आप परेशान मत हो, आप परेशान मत हो, ऑटोमेटिकली थिंग्स विल कम टू यू, डोंट वरी. संकल्पः किम अभिलषितम किम अभिलषितम पुष्यति नते. Why not they will nurture you? Why not they will come to you? जिमि सरिता सागर पहि जाहि, यद्यपि ताहि कामना नाही. यद्यपि ताहि कामना नाही, तिमि सुख संपत्ति बिनहि बुलाए, धर्मशीलन पर जाहि सुभाए. Like the rivers go towards the ocean, although they don't desire, ocean don't desire. Similarly, good object, luxuries, good words flow towards the person who is धर्मशाली. ऐसा वशिष्ठ जी ने बोला राम जी को और दशरथ जी को. पुण्यशाली, आप पुण्य करो, आप अच्छा काम करो. So automatically when you are deriving your joy and security and fulfillment from your sadhana, from your puja, from your swadhyay, from your guru bhakti, from your Ishwar bhakti, from your love, from your satsang, बहुत रेगुलर, जो आपका अंदर से जो अंदर है, आपके पास ऐसा सोर्स है, अपने आप आपके पास चीज आएगी. बताओ, भगवान राम वॉज मोस्ट हैप्पी इन द फॉरेस्ट. कितने खुश थे भगवान राम. मुदित, हर जगह मुदित थे. और कई पैलेस में भी इतने दुखी थे. और ऐसा नहीं है कि ही वॉज लिविंग इन सम पॉवर्टी देयर. Anywhere Ram ji was there, lot of people used to. चाहे वो जंगल में, he was always full of people. Solitude में नहीं थे वहाँ. जब ते राम कीनता वासा, सुखी भय मुनि बीती त्रासा. मुनि ऋषि कील किरात चित्रकूट पे छा गए भगवान राम. ऐसे जहां भी गए वहां छाई गए. लोग आ गए उनके पास. His स्वभाव was such, his प्रभाव was such. विविक्तः संकल्पः किम अभिलषितम पुष्यति नते. Why not they will not nourish you and nurture you? These things what you want, why not it will nourish you? तुम अंदर से अपने देखो 58, 59, 60, 61. What is the main point? Main point is that don't be dependent on the people, don't be dependent on the work, don't be dependent on the bhog, don't be dependent on the world for your joy. Don't become deen, heen, pathetic. Don't become very helpless. Helplessness is there, but don't become helpless in front of people. Helplessness is there because जीव is helpless by nature. उसका nature में ही helplessness है. Regarding prarabdha he is helpless. Regarding body he is helpless. Regarding स्वभाव he is helpless. Regarding अज्ञान he is helpless. So please marry your helplessness with all helpful God. Don't go to another helpless to make you too helpless. You will become more helpless after going to helpless. That is called attachment. Attachment means you went to somebody to make yourself complete through another incomplete. You were already incomplete, and ultimately two incomplete will be bigger incompleteness, like x plus x is equal to 2x or x into x is equal to x square. Similarly, incompleteness plus incompleteness will become double incompleteness. And supposing you have family of incomplete people which is there all the time, you have 100 times more incompleteness. Incompleteness means you have more vulnerability, You have more chances of getting sad because you have opened lot of areas of expectation, areas of disappointment, areas of frustration, areas of anger. क्या करना वहाँ? आप जाओ कहीं जहाँ मस्त रह सको. This is the meaning of this verse. So 62nd verse, let us read. टाइम हो गया क्या? परिभ्रमसि किं मुधा क्वचन, परिभ्रमसि किं मुधा क्वचन चित्तविश्राम्यताम्, चित्तविश्राम्यताम् स्वयं भवति यद्यथा भवति, स्वयं भवति यद्यथा तथा भवति तत्तथा नान्यथा. अतीतम् अनुस्मरन्नपि च भाव्यसंकल्पयन् अतर्कितसमागमान् अनुभवामि भोगानहम्. बोले तुम, ओ चित्त, ही इज एड्रेसिंग द चित्त इज इन्वोकेटेड. सी द फर्स्ट, हे चित्त, ओ माइंड, परिभ्रमसि किं मुदा, व्हाई यू आर वॉन्डरिंग हियर एंड, क्यों तुम यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हो भाई. मुदा मीन्स बेकार में, इन वेन, यूजलेसली. And where the mind wanders, where vasana is there. बच्चे की वासना, पति की वासना, पत्नी की वासना, धन की वासना, कपड़े की वासना, अच्छे कॉन्टैक्ट की वासना, 1000 जगह तो हमारी वासना है. हाँ शांत, 1000 जगह वासना है, और हर जगह वासना जहाँ होगी वहाँ से हमारा कर्म शुरू हो जाता है, वहाँ पे मन भागता है. आपका मन नहीं जाता सब जगह. माइंड डजंट बोलते हमारा मन भागता, मन भागता आपका वहीं है जहाँ आपकी वासना होगी. हमारा मन सब जगह नहीं भागेगा, जहाँ जिसकी वासना होगी वहाँ मन भागेगा, है ना. तो अब धन की वासना, धन में मन भागेगा, बेटी की वासना, बेटे में मन भागेगा. बोले क्यों तुम भाग रहे हो? वासना भी रहे हो, मन न भागे. मन भागेगा और वासना की पॉइंट पे it will bring out some joy, some. एक वासना मतलब it has opened Pandora box. Now after that वहाँ से चिंता निकलेगी, वहाँ से डिज़ायर निकलेगी, वहाँ से डर निकलेगा, वहाँ से हेल्पलेसनेस निकलेगी. क्यों? कोई बोलते ही नहीं. From there you will have worry, you will have curry, you will have hurry. हमारा एक टॉक था एक टाइम, once इंदौर I had one talk. Just 2 minutes. So, so from there you will have so many things. इंदौर में हमारी टॉक थी. The topic was hurry, worry and curry. इतनी चीज निकलेगी वहां से. परिभ्रमसि किं मुधा, तुम क्यों घूम रहे हो यहाँ वहाँ. एक ईश्वर की वासना बनाओ. मोहे लागी रे लगन गुरु चरणन की, चरण बिना. एक गुरु की बात, एक शास्त्र की बना लो, एक जप की बना लो, एक पूजा की बना लो. एक ही जगह अपनी सारे सुख को केंद्रित कर दो, एक ही भगवान. वो भागेगा नहीं. इट विल गेट सेटिस्फैक्शन. Anyway, time is over. We will see tomorrow. Doctors are there. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namah.